Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video. On the menu today we have pizza recipe. So I will be sharing with you a delicious pizza recipe that you can easily make at home. This recipe requires few ingredients and it is so easy to make. All you need to do is to continue watching and of course trust the process. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, we need to make the pizza dough. So in a bowl, go in with your flour. 2.5 cups of your plain flour. Next is your yeast. We're making use of 1 sachet of it, a teaspoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Now, go on and add your olive oil. We're making use of 4 tablespoons of olive oil. As for the yeast, if you're making use of dry yeast, you need to add it to your warm water, okay? Just keep watching. You're going to allow it to bloom before you use it. But guys, we are making use of instant yeast. Instant fast action yeast, yes. You can use it just immediately with the dry ingredients, yes. So now it's time to mix everything up, okay? We are using warm water, a cup of warm water, all right? But you need to add it bit by bit in order to control the dough, okay? So guys, the aim here is to form a dough. So as you're mixing, you're bringing them together, all right? Please, before now, make sure that your other ingredients are ready, like your tomato sauce, your toppings. When I say toppings like pepperoni, sausage, vegetables, your mozzarella cheese, and the rest. Just use your favorite vegetables, okay? All right, guys, we have a dough now. So this is how you do it, okay? You're going to take your time. Now we have a dough. The next thing to do is to knead it, okay? So we're going to be kneading for about 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Now, let's transfer on a work surface. First, you flour it before placing your dough on it. So here we will continue kneading, all right, until it is smooth. Please feel free to use your both hands if you want, okay? And if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to Omaspot. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious cooking meals, baking, delectable snacks, and small chops, and even more, guys. So if it sounds like something you are interested in or you're looking out for, please go ahead and subscribe so you become part of this amazing, beautiful family, okay? All right, guys, looking at our dough, I believe you can tell the difference. Can you see how smooth it is looking? This is to tell you that you need to knead it until it is looking this smooth, okay? Next, grease your mixing bowl with some little amount of olive oil. Yes, now place your dough on it. All right, we're going to allow it to rest for 10 or 20 minutes, okay? Now, cover it with a cling film and keep in a warm place. This is after 15 minutes, guys. Look at what we have here. Our dough has doubled in size. So you punch out the air and knead a bit, okay? All right, guys, we're going to transfer again on our workplace. But before you do that, make sure you flour it with some breadcrumbs, okay? This time around, we are not using flour, but breadcrumbs. It is going to make our pizza come out very beautiful, giving it a unique taste and a rough texture on the outside. Guys, you will like it. It's going to come out very beautiful and nice. Better than takeout, the one you buy outside. Just keep watching. So now it is time to stretch it out, okay? Look at how stretchy it is, all right? So you use your hand to, spread it all out. And you can as well use your rolling pin. It makes it easier, right? So this is all spreading it all out. Make sure you maintain that circular shape. Pizza is in circular form, so please, as you're spreading it out, do not alter the shape, all right? So I'm not going to flatten it that much, okay? Because I want the crust to be big, bold, all right? But if you want your pizza that flat, the crust flat, go ahead and flatten it more. All right, guys, at this point, we're done rolling it out and look at what we have here. The next thing to do is to tuck the edges in, just like you're watching me do. Remember I said I want the crust to be bold or big, yes. Now go ahead and tuck them in, the edges of the dough, flattened dough, all right? Tuck them in. Just make sure you press it down very well. Make sure it is sealed, okay? I know it is not easy, but you got it. Yes, you can do it. So this is how you go about it. It is coming up well, guys. So this is how you do it, okay? Again, this channel shares easy, delicious cooking meals. So guys, if it sounds like something you're looking out for, please go ahead and subscribe. And also turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out on any of my videos, okay? All right, guys, at this point, we are done. Now, moving on to the next step. Get your pan and grease it, okay? Place your parchment paper and transfer your flattened dough on it, just like this, guys. Next, get a fork and give it this tiny holes using your fork, okay? Just like this. So this will make our sauce to penetrate right inside the dough, making it come out tasty, okay? Now it is time to introduce your pizza sauce, okay? And here it is. If you want to learn how to make pizza sauce, please go check out my previous video on how to make pizza sauce. I have it in my videos, okay? Look out for it and check it out. All right, guys, now spread it all out. Lovely. We are getting there. Please keep watching, okay? All right. Once you have added your tomato pizza sauce, make sure you add enough, okay? The next thing is your mozzarella cheese and some cheddar cheese. I used to actually, but you can use your mozzarella cheese alone, okay? Just to your taste and to your preference. All right, guys, here is our toppings. We'll have some chicken and some bacon. Now we are going in with some vegetable. Just use your favorite vegetables, okay? I have some bell peppers, the red and the green. And now we are going in with some diced onions, guys. Can you see the beautiful colors? Oh my. Lastly, go in with your cheese again. Top in more cheese as much as you like, okay? Now, guys, it is ready to be baked. You pop it into your preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, all right? Or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly, all right? Monitor it closely, guys, and there you have it. A delicious, scrumptious, delectable homemade pizza, guys, is set. Now, let's divide it. Oh my, this is looking beautiful. And I know it's going to taste super good. Just keep watching, okay? Because we're going to test it together. Please give it a go, okay? Let me know how it turns out for you in the comments. Also, share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Okay, finally, it's about to go down. Guys, it's about to go down. It is testing time, so you test it with me. Okay, let's grab one. Oh my, guys, I'm sure you are salivating. I know. Guys, look at it. Look at it. It is looking good. Oh my, let's have a taste. Look at me grabbing more, guys. It came out well and it tasted super good. Guys, do not sleep on this one. You are making it. It is very easy and simple. Just follow the steps, okay? And special appreciation to all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is super grateful. Thank you, guys. Love you all. And if you found this video interesting, go ahead and like, subscribe, and follow for more delicious recipes. Until next time, bye-bye.